Hello and welcome to Infotalks. Let's talk about observability patterns, which is one among the 5 groups of microservices design patterns. With too many services, monitoring becomes very important. We must have ways to identify issues before they hit our applications and eventually our clients. Here, the shift is from reactive monitoring to proactive monitoring. Observability pattern includes 4 design patterns: log aggregation, distributed tracing, performance metrics, health check. Okay, so let's look at log aggregation and distributed tracing. In microservices world, we usually have too many services talking to each other in asynchronous way. Troubleshooting an issue becomes too difficult. All these services generate logs, and we should be able to search through the logs and analyze it. Run trend analysis as well. We should have automated feedback. Configure alerts that are triggered when certain messages appear in the logs, for example, timeouts. So, what do we need? We need a centralized logging service that aggregates logs from each service instance. This can be achieved through tools like Logstash or Fluent. Now, let's look at distributed tracing. In order to trace a request end to end, which might involve queries to database, writing a message to a topic, calling other service. For all these distributed tasks, we need some common key to enable us to tie all these together. So we should have a trace ID or a transaction ID, also known as correlation ID. This ID can be included in each related request and also in all the log messages. Then it becomes easy for us to group traces through the entire journey of the request and troubleshoot using this ID. Few tools that can be used for implementing distributed tracing are Datadog, Zipkin, Dynatrace, Honeycomb. There are a lot many. When we implement MSA, there are too many microservices and it's difficult to manage. This increases the need to have tools to manage, monitor, and pinpoint the problems. We need to aggregate metrics in centralized metrics service that provides reporting and alerting. This provides deep insight into services behavior. There are many different tools such as Grafana, Amazon CloudWatch, InfluxDB, Dynatrace, etc. Those are available in market that helps to measure performance metrics. Finally, we need to ensure if our service is healthy and performing at its best. It could be disk space or connectivity problem. A monitoring service, load balancer, or service registry can periodically invoke the health check operation. Then we need to add a notification mechanism to notify the support team of any issues with the service. Health check implementation can be achieved by various ways. Couple of examples are if we enable and implement the health check API in the configuration, Kubernetes orchestrator can perform health checks by sending requests to test the microservice. The other example is Spring Boot provides an interface health indicator, which has health method that can be overridden to implement a custom logic for health check. So this covers observability patterns. For more videos to learn, please visit infonester.com. If you find this video useful, then please do subscribe for notifications. Thanks. Bye for now.